Hello students, welcome to the chapter Relations and Functions. In the last video, I have discussed the types of relations and also solved examples on relations. In this video, I am going to start functions. Initially, we'll give you the introduction of the function and next we will move into the types of functions. Dear students, functions. In the P1, you studied functions chapter. What all you studied in your P1? You just studied the definition of function and the basic types of functions. So here I am going to give you again the definition of function. Then I will move into the types of functions, but second PUC types of functions, not the first PUC. Let me start the discussion. Let A equal to the set 1, 2, 3 and the set B equal to A, B, C, D. These are the two non-empty sets. Then which of the following relations are functions from the set A to the set B? Let us have those relations. F1 is equal to 1A, 2B. F2, 1A, 2B, 3B, 2D. F3 is a relation consisting the ordered pairs 1A, 2B, 2C. And F4 is a relation from A to B consisting the ordered pairs 1A, 2A, 3A. Dear students, let us write the Cartesian product of A and B first, that is A cross B. You can observe the set A is 1, 2, 3 and the set B is A, B, C, D. What will be the Cartesian product? A cross B is equal to 1A. Hope you all know how to write Cartesian product from A to B. 1A, 1B, 1C, 1D. 2A, 2B, 2C, 2D. Next, 3A, 3B, 3C, 3D. Dear students, these are the ordered pairs in A cross B and we have Cartesian product of A and B. Observe that F1, F2, F3 and F4 are all the subsets of A cross B. Dear students, F1, F2, F3, F4, all these are the subsets of the Cartesian product of A and B. How we can say that? You can see the F1, 1A, 2B are there in A cross B. F3 you see 1A, 2B, 2C are there here in A cross B. F2, 1A, 2B, 3B, 2D are the ordered pairs in F2 and those are in A cross B. F4, 1A, 2A, 3A are the ordered pairs in F4 and those are in A cross B. Then definitely we call F1, F2, F3, F4 are the subsets of A cross B? No doubt. So when these are the subsets of A cross B, then F1, F2, F3, F4 are definitely relations from the set A to the set B. Now, consider the arrow diagram of all these relations F1, F2, F3, F4. Arrow diagram in P1 you studied. F1 is 1A, 2B. The arrow diagram of F1 you can see. The set A is consisting 1, 2, 3 elements. The set B consisting the elements A, B, C, D. And F1 is a relation from A to B. You can see F1 is here. 1 is related to A. 2 is related to B. Dear students, is it a function? Is this relation is a function? Then what is the meaning of function? Recall. A function is a rule which associates every element of first set to a unique element of second set. This is a first set and this is a second set. A function is a rule which associates every element of set A to a unique element, to only one element of the second set. So now my question is this F1? Is this F1 is a function? It is not a function because the element 3 is not having one image. The element 3 is not having any image or one image. Therefore this is not a function, this is just a relation. Dear students, f1 is just a relation from a to b, but it is not a function from a to b. Consider the arrow diagram for the relation f2. F2 is 1a, 2b, 2d, 3b as we have. So consider its arrow diagram. Elements of the set A 1, 2, 3 and the elements of the set B A, B, C, D. Now look at the F2, the relation F2 you see. 1 is related to A, 2 is related to B, 2 is related to again D, 3 is related to B. Dear students, again I am asking you, is this a function? What is the definition of function? A function is a rule which associates every element of first set to a unique element of second set. Then is F2 is a function? Is F2 satisfies this rule what we have in front of us? It is not a function because the element 2 has more than one image. You can see the diagram, students. Here the element 2 is having two images, here B as well as D. What is our definition says? Every element should have unique element, but this 2 has no unique element. It has two elements in the second set. Therefore this is not a function. So finally F2 is just a relation from A to B, but it is not a function. Consider the arrow diagram for the relation F3. F3 is there 1A, 2B, 2C. A, B are the two sets. A consists again 1, 2, 3. B consists again A, B, C, D. And F3 is a relation from A to B. Look at F3. How the elements are related from A to B. 1 is related to A. 1 is related to A. 2 is related to B and 2 is related to C. Dear students, can you think, is it a function? Is it a function? What is that function definition? A function is a rule which associates every element of first set to a unique element of second set. Again it fails. It is not a function because the element 2 does not have a unique image. Again in F3, the element 2 is not having same. The element 2 is not having unique element in the second set. Therefore this is not a function. So F1, F2, F3 are the just relations from A to B. These are not the functions from A to B. Next let me take F4, its arrow diagram. F4 you can see 1A, 2A, 3A. A and B are the two sets, 1, 2, 3 in the set A, B, C, D in the set B. F4 is a relation from A to B. Now you can observe the ordered pairs in F4. F4 are nothing but having the ordered pairs 1A, 2A, 3A. 1 is related to A, 2 is related to A, 3 is related to A. Dear students, is this a function? Then what is the definition of function? A function is a rule which associates every element of first set to a unique element of second set. You can observe the set A means first set, elements of set A 1, 2, 3. Is 1 having only one element in the set B? Yes. Is 2 having only one element? Yes. Is 3 having only one element? Yes. Therefore all elements of the set A are having only one element in the second set, only one image in the second set. Therefore this relation, this F4 is a function. Dear students, function is a relation from A to B. All elements of set A should have one and only one image in the set B. Then it is called as a function. Note, suppose there are sets A and B. F is a function from A to B. X is an element of the set A, Y is an element of the set B. If ordered pair X comma Y belongs to F, then we write Y is equal to F of X. Here Y is called image of X and X is called pre-image of Y. This you have to remember, students. Whenever there is a function from A to B, an ordered pair xy belongs to F, then you can write it as Y equal to F of X. Here Y is called image of X and X is called pre-image of Y. Let us consider an example. Dear students, you can see the set A 5, 6 and the set B 1, 7, 2. Write its A cross B 5, 1, 5, 7, 5, 2, 6, 1, 6, 7, 6, 2. Hope you know the Cartesian product of A and B is here. And now I am taking one relation, that is consisting the ordered pair 5, 7 and 6, 7 and its arrow diagram. 5, 6 is the set A, so set A consists 5, 6, set B consists 1, 7, 2 and the relation is 5 to 7, 6 to 7. You can see the diagram, 5 is related to 7, 6 is related to 7. A function is a rule which associates every element of first set to a unique element of second set. Is this satisfies to this relation? Definitely. 5 and 6 are having unique element in the set B. 5 also having only one element, 6 also having only one element. Therefore, this is a function. After that, what is the domain of the function? Once if the relation becomes a function, then you can write its domain. What is the domain of the function? Listen and see the screen. Domain of this relation R. If R from A to B is a function, definitely this R has become already function. So R from A to B is a function, then the set A is called the domain of this function R. Dear students, this is already a function. Therefore, this set A, the entire set A, that is nothing but 5, 6 is called as domain of this function R. Hope you are understanding. Domain of the function is nothing but when there is a relation from A to B, this set A is completely domain. Then domain of R is nothing but 5, you can see that from the set A I am taking the elements in a domain 5, 6. Next, it is nothing but the values for which the function is defined. It is nothing but the values for which the function is defined. That is called domain. What is codomain of this function? Codomain of this function R is, if R from A to B is a function, then the set B, you can see the diagram, this entire set, this whole set B is called as codomain of this function. Codomain of this function R. Hope you are understanding. Codomain is nothing but this entire set B is codomain. Now, codomain of R is nothing but having the elements 1, you can see that 7 and 2. So, this is the set and called it as codomain. Then what is the range of the function? Dear students, codomain, domain, range, all you studied in P1. Again I am taking just to recall. Range of the function is the collection of all the images is called the range of the function R. Images means the elements from A which are related to the elements. Those elements are nothing but images. Here only 7 is the image. 1 is not an image. Why it is not an image? Because 1 is not image of any element of the set A. This 2 is also not an image. Why it is not an image? Even 2 is also not related by any elements of the set A. Hence, image is nothing but that should be a relation from the set A. So the range of the function is the collection of all images is called as the range. Then in this, what is the range? The set consisting the images, that is nothing but only 7. It is nothing but the collection of answers that we get. Here the answer for 5 and 6 is 7. Hope you are understanding the domain, codomain and range of the function. Now let us study the types of functions. In PU1, you studied the types of functions like identity function, modulus function, polynomial function, constant functions, and then signum function, greatest integer function. So like this we have studied in the PU1, their domains, ranges as well as graphs. But in second PUC, we will study different types of functions. Those are 1-1 function. Try to understand, students. The first type of the function is 1-1 function. What is the definition of 1-1? Dear students, the definition of 1-1 function is a function from A to B. F from A to B is a function, and if you want to call it as 1-1 function, if different elements of the domain have different images, different elements are having different images, that is called as 1-1 function. So what is the meaning, exact meaning of this one? Consider the set A 1, 2, 3, 4 and the set B A, B, C, D, E. These are the two sets. Let me write one function here. Say 1A, 2B, 2C, 4D. This is a function. And let us have its arrow diagram. F from A to B, set A consists 1, 2, 3, 4, B consists A, B, C, D, E as given. Now according to F, 1 is related to A, 2 is related to B, 3 is related to C and 4 is related to D. Dear students, definition of 1-1 function, different elements of domain. What is a domain? This A is a domain, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 are the elements. These are different. 1 and 2, 3, 4 are different elements and they are having the images. 1 is having A, 2 is having B, 3 is having C, 4 is having D. It means that elements are also different, their images are also different. A, B, C, D are also different. Hope you are understanding. Different elements are having different images. Let me take one more example. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C, D, E, same sets. The function I am writing 1B, 2D, 3A, 4E. Consider its arrow diagram. 1 is related to B, 2 is related to D, 3 is related to A, 4 is related to E. Dear students, you can observe each element of the domain are having different elements. 1 is having the element B, 2 is having D, 3 is having A, 4 is having E. It means no elements of the set A having same images. Try to understand. The set A is having the elements of the set A having different images. That's why this function is 1-1. Even the previous example also 1-1 function. Whenever different elements of A should have different images, that is called as 1-1 function. Let me take the next one. This is 1-1 function and also we call it as injective function. Sometimes 1-1 function is also called as injective function. Let me take one more example to understand it. 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, D, E. I am writing F, the function 1B, 2D, 3A, 4D. Concentrate its arrow diagram. F from A to B. A is having 1, 2, 3, 4. B is having A, B, C, D, E. 1 is related to B, 2 is related to D, 3 is related to A and 4 is related to D. Dear students, this function is not 1-1 function. Why this function is not 1 1? Look at the element 2 and 4. 2 and 4 are different elements. These are different, but their images, you see, what is the image of 2 and 4? Only D is the image. It means that 2 and 4 are different, but the image of 2 is equal to the image of 4, that is D. Elements are different, but images are equal. Images are same. Is it the definition of 1 1 function? Look at the 1 1 function definition. Different elements should have different images, but here different elements are there, but images are not different, they are same. Hence this function is not 1 1 function. Hope you are understanding the meaning of 1 1 function. If the function is not 1 1, then you can call that function as many one function. Here this 1b, 2d, 3a, 4d is nothing but many one function. Hope you are understanding the definition and the meaning of 1 1 function. Let me take a note here. F from A to B. A, B, image of A is denoted by F of A, image of B is denoted by F of B. Note, very important, to prove that the function is 1 1, we need to verify the condition. Whenever you want to prove the function is 1 1, you need to verify the condition. That is, F of A is equal to F of B, then A must be equal to B. When images are equal, elements are also equal. This is also called as images are equal, implies elements are also equal. This is also called as the function is 1 1. This is one condition. Then the second condition is, second condition means the same thing for 1 1. Suppose A is not equal to B, implies F of A is also not equal to B. This means that elements are not equal and images are also not equal. Elements are not equal implies images are also not equal. So this is also nothing but the function is 1 1. These are the conditions to check whether the function is 1 1 or not. Please go through these two. Either images are equal implies elements are equal, one condition, or you can refer elements are not equal implies images are also not equal. That also says the function is 1 1. This helps us to solve the problems. Next, we'll move into the next type of function, that is onto function. Second type of function is onto function. A function f from A to B is called an onto function if, concentrate the definition, if all the elements of codomain, that is B, are the images. Dear students, whenever there is a function from A to B, f is from A to B, you know, this set is called as codomain. What the definition of onto function? All elements should be images. Every element of the set B, first element, second element, third element, how many elements will be there in the set B? No, all those must be images. Then the function is called as onto function. And also students, you can see images. Okay, the set of images is called as range. When range is equal to codomain, then also we call it as the function is onto. Then also we call it as the function is onto when range is equal to codomain. Let me take some examples. Consider 1, 2, 3, 4 as set A, B, C, D, E as set B. I am writing a function here generally 1B, 2D, 3A, 4E. These are the ordered pairs. Consider its arrow diagram. The set A 1, 2, 3, 4, B, A, B, C, D, E, relate from 1 to B, 2 to D, 3 to A, 4 to E. This function is 1 1 because every element of the set A having different images. But this is not onto. Our discussion is on onto. This function is not onto. Why? The definition says all, look at the meaning here, all elements of codomain. Here A is a image, B is a image, D is a image, E is a image, but C is not an image. This is not an image of any element. Therefore, any element of A, therefore this is not onto function. What the definition of onto says, every element should be images, but here we failed. That's why this is not onto function, because you can see that if the function is not onto function, then you call it as into function. Let me take one more example. 1 2 3 4 A B C D, a function 1 to B and 2 to D, 3 to A, 4 to C. Consider its arrow diagram. 1B, 2D, 3A, 4C. Dear students, this is clearly onto function. Why it is clearly onto? Look at the definition. All elements of B should be images. A, B, C, D are the elements of the set B and they are images. They are related by the elements of the set A. Hence, this function is called as onto. This you can check. Or what is the range of this function? If I ask what is the range of this function f, what you will say? The set consisting A, B, C, D means images. What do you mean by range? Set of images. What is the codomain of this function? The codomain of this function is again A, B, C, D, or you will write just B. Are they equal? Yes. Range of f is equal to, both are same, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. So range of f is equal to codomain of f. Therefore, the function is onto. Dear students, this is a second method to say the function is onto. When range is equal to codomain, then the function is onto. Otherwise, you can see the definition, all elements should be images. That is also a meaning of onto function. The range of f is equal to B. Just now I explained. So onto function is also called as surjective. What you call 1 function in another way? Injective function. Here onto function is also called as in another way, that is surjective function. Consider one more function 1 2 3 4 ABC, 1B, 2C, 3A, 4C is a function. Its arrow diagram, 1 is related to B, 2 is related to C, 3 is related to A, 4 is related to C. Dear students, is this onto function? Will give you 2 seconds. Yes, this function is onto function. Why this function is onto? Because every element of B is the image. Therefore, this is onto function. What about 1 1? Is this 1 1 function? No, because 2 and 4 having same image. Therefore, this is not 1 1 but onto. Hope you are understanding. This function is not 1 1 but it is onto function. You can see the function is onto but not 1 1. Just now I explained it. Let me take the next type of function called bijective function. What is bijective function? A function f from A to B is bijective if it is both 1 1 and onto. A function which is 1 1 and onto, both 1 1 and onto, then the function is called as bijective function. Let me take one example. The set A 1 2 3 and B A B C, 1A, 2B, 3C. Simple. Consider its arrow diagram. 1 to A, 2 to b, 3 to c according to the given function. 1a, 2b, 3c are related in arrow diagram. Dear students, this function is 1 1 as well as onto. I'll explain it one more time how it is 1 1. Every element of A having different images, different elements of A having different images, that's why this function is 1 1. Next, for onto, each element of the set B are the images. Images means they are related by the elements of A. Hence, every element of the set B is the image, then it is called as onto. Otherwise, range is the set consisting ABC. Range of this function is equal to codomain. Codomain is the set B. Therefore, the function is onto. Hence, the function is 1 1 as well as onto, and it is called as bisective function, because the definition of bisective function is 1 1 and onto. Then it is called as bisective. Therefore, it is called bisective function. Consider the set A 1 2 3 4 A B C D E and a function relating 1b, 2c, 3a, 4e, and its arrow diagram. 1 is related to B, 2 to C, 3 to A, 4 to E. Dear students, clearly this function is 1 1 but not onto. Why this is not onto? D is not an image of any element. Is not an image of any element. Therefore, this function is not onto, because the definition of onto says every element of B should be images, but D is failed to say the image. Hence, this function is not onto, but it is 1 1 and it is not bisective. Why it is not bisective, students? Because function is 1 1 but not onto. Hence, it is not bisective function. Let me take one example like this. The function f from capital A to capital N. N is a set of natural numbers. Be a function defined by f of x is equal to roll number of student x. It is a function defined in a way that roll number of a student x. Show that f is 1 1 but not onto. Where, very important, the set A is given here, that is the set A consists the name of the student Ahana, Anu, Asta, Archana. These are the 4 students belongs to the set A, that is capital A, and we call it as domain. Now let us have its arrow diagram. Name of the students, that is Ahana, Anu, Asta, Archana, and the set N is set of natural numbers. Now here Asta is assigned to roll number 1, Ahana is assigned to roll number 2, Anu is assigned to roll number 3, Archana is assigned to roll number 4. It means that every element of set A having different images. Asta is having roll number 1, Ahana is having roll number 2, Anu is having roll number 3, Archana is having roll number 4. It means no student have the same roll number. Every student have different roll number. It means different elements of domain have different images. Therefore, this is 1 1 function. This function is called 1 1 function. Now let me check onto. That only I explained, different elements of the domain have different images and it is called as 1 1 function. Range of f. Dear students, what is a range? Only set of images, that is 1 2 3 4. What is a codomain? The complete set of natural numbers, that is 1 2 3 4 5. So codomain is n. Are they equal? 1 2 3 4 is equal to n? No, 1 2 3 4 is not equal to n. Hence, range of the function is not equal to codomain of the function. and it is not onto function. Hence we proved this function is one function and it is not onto function. This is just an example. And what about bisective? Is it bisective? No, this is not bisective function. Thank you, students. This is what the types of functions in the second PUC, and in the next video I will come with the problems on types of functions, that is 1 onto bisective.